Welcome to Best Choice. The best HP Envy Photo 6255 ink is probably one of the most essential components for anyone looking to achieve vibrant, high-quality prints from their HP Envy Photo 6255 printer, ensuring that every photo and document comes out with the clarity and color accuracy you expect, making it a crucial consideration for photographers, home users, and small businesses alike who rely on consistent and professional-looking output for their creative projects or daily tasks. Number 5. HP 64 Black Ink Cartridge, N9J90N. Experience consistent quality and reliability with this black ink cartridge. It's engineered to work seamlessly with your HP printer for all your printing needs. This cartridge is compatible with a range of HP printers, including the Envy Inspire, Envy Photo, and Tango series. Ensure your device is listed for optimal performance. Save on ink with our Instant Ink program. This cartridge is eligible, offering a convenient and cost-effective printing solution. Get approximately 200 pages of high-quality printing from this cartridge. It's perfect for everyday home, office, and small business use. Choose an ink cartridge that's good for the planet. HP has upcycled over 2,300 metric tons of ocean-bound plastic into products like this one. Rely on HP for all your printing needs. Our ink cartridges are designed for trusted, consistent results every time you print. What we like? This is the standard black ink cartridge. It offers reliable HP quality for everyday printing needs. If you have basic printing requirements and want consistent results, this is a solid choice. What people say? The print quality is consistently great, and I've never had issues with compatibility, leaks, or errors. HP products are solid. Solid printing and long-lasting even for a crafter like me who prints a lot of stuff. Great product, easy installation, and the quality of print was fantastic. Number 4. HP 64 Black and Tricolor Ink Cartridges Combo Pack. Introducing the HP 64 Black and Tricolor Ink Cartridges Combo Pack. It's designed for a variety of HP printers, ensuring consistent quality and reliability. This ink works perfectly with HP printer series like Inspire 7950E, Envy Photo 6200, 7100, 7800, and Tango. Enjoy hassle-free printing every time. Count on these cartridges for your everyday printing needs at home, in the office, or for your small business. They deliver dependable results. Get approximately 200 pages in black and 165 pages in tricolor. This means fewer replacements and more printing. Choosing this ink is also a choice for the planet. HP has upcycled over 2,300 metric tons of ocean-bound plastic into these cartridges. Plus, these cartridges are eligible for HP's Instant Ink program. Save money and never run out of ink again. What we like? This combo pack includes both black and tricolor cartridges. It's perfect for home and small business users who need both colors for general printing. If you want the convenience of having both essential colors in one purchase, this is ideal. What people say? The print quality is consistently great, and I've never had issues with compatibility, leaks, or errors. HP products are solid. Solid printing and long-lasting even for a crafter like me who prints a lot of stuff. Great product, easy installation, and the quality of print was fantastic. Number 3. Inktopia Remanufactured Ink Cartridge for HP 64XL. Introducing our high-yield ink cartridges, designed to deliver exceptional print quality. Get more pages with every cartridge. These cartridges are specifically engineered to be compatible with a wide range of HP Envy printers. Enjoy seamless integration with your existing device. Experience reliable performance for all your printing needs. They offer a cost-effective solution without compromising on quality. This pack includes one black and one tricolor cartridge, ensuring you have the right colors for vibrant documents and photos. They provide an impressive page yield. Designed for easy installation, you can quickly replace your old cartridges and get back to printing in no time. Enjoy convenience and efficiency. With a high page yield, you can print up to 700 pages in black and 450 pages in color. This means fewer replacements and more savings for you. What we like? This is a high-yield, remanufactured option offering significantly more pages per cartridge. If you print frequently and are looking for a cost-effective solution with a higher page count, this is the way to go. What people say. My cartridges from here actually last longer than the ones I was buying from Staples and Walmart, where I was paying over double what I am paying for this ink. The picture print quality is amazing. I print every single day and these cartridges last me several months. I bought the HP originals over the summer from Staples and went through 2 brand new cartridges in one day. Not with Inktopia. I bought them the day I ran out because I was sick of paying $90 and using it all in one day. After using Inktopia, my cartridges lasted me several months of heavy printing. Number 2. GREENBOX 64XL Ink Cartridges Combo Pack. Introducing the GREENBOX 64XL Ink Cartridges Combo Pack. This pack offers a reliable and high-quality printing solution for your HP Envy Photo and Tango printers. Get more out of every cartridge. The black cartridge yields up to 600 pages, while the color cartridge provides approximately 415 pages at 5% coverage. Designed for a range of HP Envy Photo models, including the 6255, 7155, and 7855 series, as well as Tango printers. Ensure seamless integration with your device. Experience crisp text and vibrant graphics with every print. Our ink ensures you achieve the desired color effects on your documents and photos. This combo pack provides excellent value without compromising on performance. Enjoy consistent and professional quality prints for all your needs. Replacing your ink has never been easier. Simply install these cartridges and get back to printing in no time. What we like. This high-yield, remanufactured combo pack provides a great page yield for both black and color prints. If you need to print a lot and want to ensure clear text and graphics without frequent replacements, this is an excellent value. What people say. I like that there is no difference between this aftermarket ink cartridges and the name brand other than price. I was skeptical about buying an off-brand, but I have now ordered these GREENBOX ink cartridges twice, and they last twice as long as my HP cartridges. The quality is great, and I really cannot tell the difference in the finished product. It worked great in my HP. Number 1. 67XL Ink Cartridge Replacement for HP 67XL. Ensure your printing needs are met with our high-yield ink cartridges. Get more pages with every cartridge. Designed for a wide range of HP DeskJet and Envy printers, these cartridges offer a perfect fit and reliable performance. Experience smooth ink flow and consistent results. Our cartridges prevent paper jams and deliver excellent print quality every time. This convenient combo pack includes 1 black and 1 tricolor cartridge, providing everything you need for vibrant documents and photos. The black cartridge yields up to 650 pages, and the tricolor cartridge yields up to 450 pages, ensuring long-lasting use. Equipped with high-quality print heads, they guarantee uninterrupted printing and sharp, clear output for all your important documents. What we like. This is a high-yield combo pack designed for a wide range of DeskJet and Envy printers. If you have one of the compatible models and prioritize high page counts and consistent, jam-free printing, this cartridge is a great option. What people say. The black ink produced crisp, dark text without smudging or fading. It matched HP's quality with no noticeable difference in clarity or saturation. This combo pack for the HP Ink 67 and 67XL series is a smart choice for anyone looking to save money without compromising on print quality. The black ink provided deep, consistent colors and sharp text that rivaled that of original HP cartridges. I've printed documents, photos, and even some graphics, and each print turned out crisp and clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.